Kasabay ng panibagong bira laban kay Senador Antonio Trillanes IV, nagsalita rin si Pangulong Duterte laban kay Senadora Laila de Lima na kinasuhan na ng DOJ. Nakatutok si Ian Cruz.
Si Pangulong Duterte ang unang nagugnay kay Senadora Laila de Lima sa illegal drug trade sa loob ng Bilibid at ngayong sinampahan na ng mga kasong kriminal ang senadora, sabi ng Pangulo.
Just to face the music. Actually, ilang testigos yun at it took months to develop the case. Alam naman ng Pilipino yan. Alam ng Pilipino, ganun talaga ang estilo niya.
Naniniwala raw ang Pangulo na matibay ang ebidensya laban sa senadora.
Oo. Diba? Biro mo lang. Siya lang nag-deny. Lahat
But ito si De Lima, she screwed her driver and screwed the nation. Na naiipit niya, gusto niya akong idamay. Makukulong man talaga yan siya. Sigurado yan. Because of the testimonial evidence. Makukulong ito when everybody says, 5 or 6 would say that they contributed money. So, on a national scale, and even who brought in the narco politics? It is here already. You elected a senator, kayong mga Pilipino na who was into narco politics, who was being financed from the inside. Huwag na sana yung sa labas. From the convicts inside the prison, financing this candidacy of a senator and winning. What do you call that? Now, the reason why I am objecting to an election sa mga barangay, because that is already narco politics. They have the money and they can always win the elections on the barangay level. Pera-pera lang dyan.
Sir, yung pagsabi ninyo kanina about De Lima, kulong siya, and yung mga itatanong nyo sa kanya kung sakaling matuloy yung investigation, meron na po kaagad siyang reaksyon. At sinabi niya, tigilan nyo na raw po siya, naaawa na raw po siya sa inyo, kakabanat nyo sa kanya, at meron daw po ba kayong gusto sa kanya, kaya kayo nagkakaganyan?
Sus Maria Josep. Alam mo, every time I view the video, I lose my appetite. Nawawala ang gana ko sa kanya. She's the one who would be worried. Those are serious charges. She should not adopt a nonchalant attitude about all of these things. Kasi I said she opened the portals of narco politics to take hold in the national level. There will never be an honest election. You read the cartel, it's online, you can buy it. Ion Grillo's another one. And you would recoil in horror because it is exactly what we are experiencing today. Ang magkaroon ng gusto sa kanya, yung mga, hindi man ako gwardya, hindi man rin ako motorcycle, cop. Hindi rin ako convict.
Follow up na lang, sir. Parang pinapalabas po ni Senator De Lima na plinano nyo lahat ito and you were out to really destroy her and get her out of the Senate.
She was the one who started it. You're all spectators of our national life where it was evolving in the days that passed. When did they ever? Siya yun, di ba? Why? Because lumaki ang ulo niya. when she was chairman of the human rights, may nagsabi siguro sa pinangulo niya, pwede ka maging presidente o senador. But alam mo, the ambition was good, but her sexuality pulled her down. Nung paglabas ng video, she's finished. Ikaw, magboto ba ka sa kanya?
Hindi ako bumuboto.
Thank you, Doris.
Kayo, boboto pa kayo sa kanya? Maski barangay captain na lang. So, Dorima, you are said, you're adopting a nonchalant of a horrible thing that happened because of your...
Doon sa sinabi niyo po na makukulong po si Senator De Lima, does this mean that you're ordering the DOJ to file charges against her
Yes,
already?
of course.
When and what specific charges
After
are you
the
looking at?
investigations are finished. I am sure of my evidence. Ikaw yun nag-una. Gusto mo lumaki ang... You started in Davao, tapos yung gusto mong ma-well known na itong babae na ito, sinabi pat one time, I think it was Torpo said, she's the only lady there in the Kamet who has balls. Iba pala ang pinaglaruan mo na balls, hindi iyo.
What specific charges are you looking at, sir? Just to be clear about
Plenty
it.
drugs actually. Punishable by no bail yan.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Ito ngayon, then the next time she's in prison, there's no more worry about liaisons and dalliance. Mas kulungan na siya, ipagduktong ko na lang yung sa babae pati lalaki. So she will have about how many lovers there if she wants. Grabe talaga ako mag-insulto pag, tangina niya, wala akong ginagawa, sige kadaldal dyan. Nung election, gusto mo lang magsikat, karoon ng isyo. Wala ka ng human rights. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, I told you before, the day I said, De Lima, better hang yourself, that was the time that I had got told of all the evidence that are being dished out now. Hindi ka na nahiya sa sarili mo. Any other woman would have slashed her throat. You? Baka akala mo artista ka. Ang mga artista ng mga X-rated, paglabas sa pagkatapos ng shooting, nakangiti ang putang ina niya.
Thank you, Mr.
Case against Secretary Laila De Lima, three separate complaints, informations against the Secretary, now Senator Laila De Lima, filed before the Regional Trial Court of Muntinlupa.
Sir, paki-clarify lang, sir, why did we file the cases, sir, before the RTC and not the Ombudsman, sir?
As I've stated before, yung pong mga different complaints filed against Secretary De Lima, marami po yun the preliminary investigation, whether it's cognizable, if the case is cognizable by the Sandigan Bayan, then said complaint may be filed for preliminary investigation concurrently before the DOJ or before the Ombudsman. So when you filed it before the Ombudsman, as in these cases, 4 cases. The first one was filed by the VACC. The second by former Director Lasala and Esmeralda. The third one was filed by J.B. Sebastian, and the fourth by the NBI. So, since there are so many cases filed against the lady senator, then before the DOJ, since the jurisdiction is concurrent, even if the offense complained of is under the jurisdiction of the Sandigan Bayan, then the DOJ has the power and the authority to conduct the preliminary investigation. However, if it's found out among the many complaints against Senator De Lima that the offense is cognizable exclusively by the Sandigan Bayan, then the findings or the documents will be forwarded to the Ombudsman, as the Ombudsman has the primary authority on these cases cognizable by the Sandigan Bayan. As a matter of fact, even during the preliminary investigation, because the Ombudsman has the primary jurisdiction, the Ombudsman could have taken over the conduct of preliminary investigation and demand these cases be forwarded to the Ombudsman. But the Ombudsman did not do it and let the DOJ panel of prosecutors investigate preliminarily until it's terminated and until it's filed today before the Regional Trial Court of Muntinlupa. But in these cases filed before the Regional Trial Court of Muntinlupa, these are not cognizable by the Sandigan Bayan, and this is the reason why this is filed before the civil courts or before the Regional Trial Courts under the Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, Section 5, in relation to Section 3JJ, Section 26B, Section 28 of Republic Act 9165, illegal trading, consisting of illegal trading. These offenses belong to the exclusive original jurisdiction of the Regional Trial Court. Wala pong jurisdiction dito ang Sandigan Bayan, kaya't it is but proper, right and proper, that it be filed before the Regional Trial Court.